Welcome to Technia TV. I, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAJMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on water harvesting management. Most of the world water problems such as flooding, drought, water shortage, water pollution, heat islands are all related to rainwater. By proper rainwater management, we can reduce the risk of such problems and enhance the resilience. Due to climate change and urbanization, water shortage problems are increasing throughout the world in both developing and developed nations. Community-based rainwater harvesting can be a good caption to solve local problems. Rainwater management used to irrigate the extreme rainfall events without increasing the capacity of existing sewer system and to mitigate urban heat island problems. City of the future will be a city that collects and utilizes rainwater instead of draining. Rainwater under a law are recognition. Although rainwater harvesting is getting much interest, the promotion has been limited due to several disadvantages such as seasonal variation, related costs, etc. However, most of these problems can be solved by making the system with more than one purpose. These include dual water system with rainwater and groundwater, hybrid system of rainwater and grey water, hybrid system with rainwater and adding values of flooding mitigation and food production. Rainwater harvesting is the accumulation and storage of rainwater for reuse on site rather than allowing it to run off. Rainwater can be collected from rivers or roofs, and in many places the water collected is redirected to a pit, well, shaft or boreholes, or collected from dew or fog with nets or other tools. Its uses includes water for gardening, livestock irrigation, domestic use with proper treatment, indoor heating for houses, etc. The harvested water can be used for drinking as drinking water, longer term storage, and for other purposes such as groundwater recharge. Tamil Nadu was the first state to make rainwater harvesting compulsory for every building to avoid groundwater depletion. The scheme was launched in 2001 and has implemented in all rural areas of Tamil Nadu. Protesters all over Tamil Nadu, including rural areas, create awareness about harvesting rainwater. Tamil Nadu government site. It gave excellent results within 5 years, and slowly every state took it as a role model. Since its implementation, Chennai had a 50% rise in water level in 5 years and the water quality significantly improved. In Rajasthan, rainwater harvesting has traditionally been practiced by the people of the Thar Desert. Rainwater harvesting provides independent water supply during regional water restrictions, and in developed countries, it is often used to supplement the main supply. It provides water when a drought occurs, can help irrigate flooding of low-lying areas and reduce demand on wells, which may enable groundwater level to be sustained. I hope you understand the topic of rainwater harvesting. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.